kampuni loka Erot nyeza dawi kariuni utaibuki ngaro tumano roto ledo la ojau amairo na kaisangu na nyono tumana laje lo kapel aloma rito no tanu lo Nabilatuk ito na rucho kinleje tumana moru ngautum Eroto lo nyesida beititi aswamu kiangeta kin tumane karo iluku mnere kida kaisara londiope kwenye ito nlo mambo regeo na ibore tunyuruki Engarenok.
This road was given to a company called Erot in the year 2020, and it was supposed actually to be complete by the 21st of August 2021, but there is no impact at all. Every moment we see vehicles running, and every moment we raise an alarm, vehicles come and work for like a stretch of 1 kilometer and run away. I am told they have been paid a certain amount of money by UNRWA, which is contracting them. And even this man that they are paid, there is no really value for money.
Ever since I came here, 2022, I got information that this road had been contracted to a company called Erot. I convened a meeting with the UNRWA in 2022, but Erot never appeared. At that time, there were no works.
Ikonene district nyezde bale be mam kese wanyu totori itonile yaite company loka Erot lo anyonu nede koba kina kese unura a contract la so me gudo catch.
The contractor is not on site. As a district team, we even don't know who the contractor is. Personal scout, I have never seen him. He has never visited my office. Yes, I know it's UNRWA. I hear it is Erot. So this is the concern.
We are concerned because the so-called contractor seems to be a miss. In my office, I've never seen a document about so-called Erot. In fact, I'm guessing that this could be a different company. We are on a battle to identify who is playing around in our district.
Apotoda bikeo tangure na kechebe anyona paki na ikari unilu kere aloto kwa ibuku alupoto tomano gudo abosna nati ngaro ibore tiko kola loste otomano roto kalo.
Erot people have heaped soil, first class soil. You know, when the president said we demanded the president to give us that stretch, tarmac that stretch, because now they are tarmacking other parts. Nabilatuk is the only district that has not been tarmacked.
The accessibility of the road seems to become a problem now, as you may have also seen with the hips on the road of Maram. The quality of Maram was also seen. To us, we feel also it's not good quality because the Maram is mixed with so much soil.
Inconveniencing the road users. In fact, that is why we are not satisfied. We are not happy.
Kwenye idolo keraban ngono kaunura eja kaitala nsempa bwa anuda jenu na idules nuda akirero talo mamebwe pede jaune kesimu. Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Nabilatuk.